Hey there, my name is Rinku Gupta and I am founder of Arjun C Activity Center. Let's learn today the different sounds of letter Y. Letter Y can make three different sounds. It can make Y, I and the long E sound also. The letter Y make Y sound when a word starts with Y. Like in yellow, yak, yach, yawn, you, your, and you can add many more to this list. The letter Y can also make long I sound in single syllable word. Single syllable word are the short words, small words, like in fly, cry, try, sky, my, buy, shy, sty, guy. The letter Y can also make long E sound when the word is multisyllable word, like baby, sorry, city, sleepy, daddy, paddy, and you can add more in this list. So hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I will be coming with more sounds. And thanks for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.